Are you back for real, for real? Who is Trey? Will we ever see Trey? So I'm just going to address both of them. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up with Q. So I know I have been going for a I would say a long time, even though it's only been like 2-3 weeks, but a lot has been going on in the world, a lot has been going on in my life, so I decided to take like a little hiatus from YouTube or whatever. But your girl is back. So to get back in the swing of things, I decided to do an updated Q&A, or like a get to know me tag, because girl's almost at 1K. I'm getting a lot of subscribers. I know in the past I did a Q&A or a get to know me tag, but I used questions online. This time I went on my Instagram. I decided to get you guys to send me questions just so it would kind of be more personal rather than what you find on Google. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys give the video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think, and always comment down below video ideas for me because I always need them, always love them. And lastly, subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be there together, period. Now let's get into it. So like I said, this is my first time ever doing like the little Instagram poll thingy. I was super excited that I got a lot of questions, and it was a lot of questions that I didn't expect, or you know, it wasn't like boring questions. Let's start from here and go to the bottom. So the first question is, do you like or dislike surprises? Why or why not? So I definitely dislike them. I'm a person who cannot keep a surprise, so you know, I don't really like surprises. Like, I've always wanted a surprise birthday party, but I've always wanted to know like I'm gonna have one. I don't know, I just can't keep a surprise. Like, I'm terrible at holding gifts. If you know me, you know I'm terrible at holding gifts. I've been wanting to tell you so bad. Like, I can't surprise people. Just, if you have a surprise for somebody, don't tell me. Surprise me too. Some just don't sit right with surprises. So I don't know if it's just me, but I have to know. Have you ever had a nickname besides Q? If so, what and where did it come from? Let's see. My grandparents have always called me Angel. My granddad came up with it. I don't know where it came from. They always tell me the story, but it, like, you know, I don't know where it came from. But literally, it's just Angel. Somebody calls me Quinn. It's really just Q, Angel, and now Quinn. So yeah. Quinn isn't too bad, but I really think Quinn came because he could not say my name and he just went with Quinn because Quinn was easier. What motivates you to work hard? Knowing that I want to live a certain kind of lifestyle is what motivates me. So I was like, Q, you gonna do whatever you gotta do to get where you want to be. So knowing that I want to be somewhere is what motivates me. Who does your intros? Since I've started, I've only had like two or three intros made by somebody else. COLLABING on Instagram, she made it. She is also a YouTuber. The SJ brand, she did mine. She's also a YouTuber. And Glamorous Graphics, they do YouTube intros, but I don't think any of them are YouTubers. Have you ever thought about collabing with other YouTubers? Yes, I've always wanted to collab with other YouTubers, other small YouTubers to be exact. Like, I'm all about like building each other up and helping each other grow. So I've been trying for the longest to like collab with other people. Like, y'all, back in my YouTube days when I first started, I tried to collab with somebody. I guess she was much bigger than me, so she was still a small YouTuber, but she was bigger than me. And y'all, she literally was just kind of like, I'm not collabing with you until you basically get where I am. So I was like, all right, you know, you ain't have to do it like that, because I mean, she wasn't that big, but like she was big, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm not gonna say her name because I don't want to, yeah, but I've always wanted to collab with YouTubers. And I think a lot of people don't realize that you don't necessarily have to be together all the time to collab, because you can easily just like do a giveaway together. Y'all can just do the same video and like feature each other and be like, you know, check out so and so because they're doing this video. Like, that's a collab. But I don't think a lot of people think like that, so yeah. Something that irritates you, y'all. I hate when people drag their feet. I absolutely hate it. That irritates me so much. I really, really hate that. You can ask my cousin Keon because she does it all the time, and I'd be like, pick your feet up. Like, that sound just gets on my nerves so bad. What is a day in the life looks like for you? I guess, what does a day in the life look like for you? So a day in my life right now, since I stopped working, I go to the gym in the morning, typically around like 9-10 o'clock, and then come back home, shower, give me a little breakfast or whatever, and then I chill and I watch Netflix for a little bit, probably till about like 12 o'clock. And then around that time I get up and I focus on YouTube or my business. And then the afternoon and like nighttime is really my time to like go out and hang out with my cousins or my friends if there's anything going on. But if there's nothing going on, I'm literally in my bed watching Netflix or watching different YouTubers, trying to figure out what I can do to expand my brand and my business. That's basically it. Do you ever get discouraged being a small YouTuber? Yes, all the time. If you've had me on YouTube for a while, you will know that I typically take like a couple of breaks throughout the year, like maybe 3 a year, because sometimes I do see like some YouTubers are like growing super fast or they have this and that going on, and I just be like, dang, like why can't that be me? Lately I've been doing a lot better with not like comparing myself to other people. I actually had to tell some of my other YouTuber friends that like I don't necessarily look too much into other YouTubers, because like, well, I wouldn't say like that, but I don't necessarily look at their growth as much anymore, because it would lead me to feeling like discouraged or whatever. So, but in the past, definitely. When I first started, definitely, because I was like, dang, I didn't even hit 500 subs yet, and other people was doing that. So yeah, definitely, I can say I did. How many siblings do you have? I have 3 brothers and a sister. The next one is top 5 deal breakers in a relationship. First one would be that they don't want the same things that I want in life. Like, I need somebody where our future would like connect. It doesn't have to be this, but like an example would kind of be, say I want a dog, but they don't want a dog. Or like for, I would say, a relationship like future wise, say I want kids, they don't want kids, or they want kids, I don't want kids. So it's like our future has to connect. We have to want the same things, and it goes for like bigger things too. Another deal breaker is that we're always arguing. I understand every relationship is not going to be perfect. There's going to be arguments, disagreements, whatever, but if you have to constantly argue at somebody or like argue with somebody, it's just not going to work. So another deal breaker would be that I'm not myself. If I cannot be cute around you, if I can't be goofy, if we can't laugh together, if I can't be the person I am in my room by myself, nah, it's not gonna work. Because yeah, I am super duper goofy. I like to have fun, I like to joke. My life isn't perfect, so if I can't be me, if I feel like I have to put on a front for you, it's not gonna work. And then another one would probably be like, I'm not appreciated, because listen, it's just not gonna work. Favorite place to shop, so I'm gonna do online and in store. Online, I can definitely say right now my favorite place to shop is Boohoo, and in store Forever 21, period, always. So the question says, who is Trey? Then there's another one that says, will we ever see Trey? So I'm just going to address both of them. Trey is somebody from my past, and yeah, that's just that. Will I ever see him? 9 times out of 10, no. Yeah, we just gonna leave it there and we just gonna move on from it. Do not ask me this question anymore. Don't ask me this question when I go on live. Do not ask me this question. No. Do you have a best friend? I don't have a girl or a boy best friend. I used to, but like, I mean, like me and my old boy best friend, I mean, we're still friends, but we just don't talk as much anymore. So it's just like, I mean, yeah. What's your major? My major is computer science, and then the next one is, how did you choose your major? So when I first went to school, y'all, I was a business major, and then my brother was like, you don't have to go to school for business, which I eventually learned. So I changed it to computer science because I do love coding. Also, there was a scholarship going at the time, so I was like, bet, I want to do this and I can get money for doing it. So I did that. Why don't you post a lot on IG? Y'all, I really don't have nobody to take pictures for me, and I love taking full body pictures. So yeah, that's why I don't post on Instagram a lot. I mean, like, I know y'all probably get tired of seeing my boomerangs or seeing my mirror pictures, and yeah, I just don't have nobody to take my pictures. But when we go back to school, best believe Zaria, Shia, and Jetta will be taking my pictures. Who's your favorite YouTuber?
attitude, looking killer, ooh. Represent the crew with Kennedy Simone.
Are you back for real, for real? I'm just playing. Yeah, I'm back for real, for real. I mean, I never left, but like, you know, I'm back posting. Yeah. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Where have you been? I kind of already mentioned that at the beginning. Where do you see yourself on YouTube before 2020 is over? Before 2020 is over, my goal is to have DK on YouTube. Like, I know I could probably get more, but my goal is 50K. Like, before 2020 is over, I want to hit 50K. I know I have a lot of work to put in. I have a lot of time, so I am definitely going to make it happen. What school do you attend? I attend Coastal Carolina University. Period. How old are you? I'm 20, about to be 21 on July 22nd. Cancer is the best thing, the best zodiac sign there is. That is the end of my updated Q&A. I am definitely going to be doing another one, you know, once I get much bigger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think, and lastly, subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be lit together. Period. And I will see you guys in my next video.